Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to learn various shapes. The ball is a round circle. Again, the ball is a round circle. Your turn. Very good. A window looks like a square. Again, a window looks like a square. Your turn. Very good. The pizza slice is a triangle. Again, the pizza slice is a triangle. Your turn. Very good. The door is a tall rectangle. Again, the door is a tall rectangle. Your turn. Very good. See the star shining up high. Again, see the star shining up high. Your turn. Very good. Let's play a game now. Can you select the circular objects? So the circular objects are donut, clock, and donuts in the box. Very good. Now the next question. Let's select the objects which are square in shape. So the square shaped objects are biscuit, dice, and pillow. Very good. Now let's select the objects which are triangular in shape. So the triangular shaped objects are watermelon slice, pizza slice, cheese slice. Did you guess it right? Very good. Let's select the object which is rectangular in shape. There's only one object, that's the pillow. You did amazing today. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.